Right now, only 20% of Kiwi manufacturers say their organisations have the Industry 4 skills to take them into the future. From robots packing up boxes to machinery operated by AI. Some Industry 4 technologies do sound like they come from a faraway future, but the reality is that they're here. And you might be surprised at how advanced technology can serve your business, and for less of an investment than you might think. Even in our nation of small businesses, Industry 4 technologies do have a place and can give you a critical edge over the competition. Automation, for example, can help to free up your staff for more strategic work, and predictive data can help business owners make more strategic decisions. In the long term, studies have shown that advanced manufacturing technologies are well worth the effort, reducing costs by up to 20% and boosting labour productivity by up to 30%. To help you start your advanced manufacturing journey, the team at LMAC are now running the Digital Manufacturing Challenge around the country. The challenge is a fully facilitated, competitive session for manufacturers that's completely free of charge. It's designed to help you think about how advanced technologies might benefit your business and manage any short-term challenges that crop up while they're being bedded in. Over 3 hours, this fun and interactive challenge will task up teams to make the best possible technology decisions for a fictional factory. The best business cases will be awarded points based on their return on investment, strategy, and analysis of any pain points along the way.
It's been a fantastic afternoon, learning about different digital technologies that can be implemented into the manufacturing environment.
Gives you a chance to play with different technologies, look at the price points, and help you with your decision making.
Business leaders should be looking at this as a viable option. It was a great event, and I think a really good eye-opener to those that aren't familiar with Industry 4.0 or just the different applications for technology across manufacturing.
I think it was awesome. I'm having a great time and definitely would recommend.
Book your spot on the Digital Manufacturing Challenge today.